team. Today, we will guide you through using and maximizing the benefits of our calendar feature. The calendar is your centralized hub for viewing all reservations, conveniently organized by status. As a general manager, you can see all the locations, while as a hotel manager only your hotel. Let's dive in. First, select the establishment. By default, you'll see all your reservations for the current month. You can adjust the view to display reservations by day, week, or month. Additionally, you can select a specific month, day, or year by clicking on the calendar icon. To manage daily events, simply click on Today. Let's see what we have for today. Clicking on any event in the calendar will display detailed information at the top, including the creation date, start date, end date, number of people, source, type of event, and payment status. At the bottom, you'll find general information about the event, hotel rooms included in the reservation, meeting room details, all items and packages, respective timelines, customer and experience remarks, sales details and assignments, notifications, and payment details. On the Payment tab, you can see if the reservation was paid using Stripe. If so, the system will update the reservation status to Paid. Returning to the calendar, you'll notice that the reservation appears in green, as indicated by the legend. And that's how you manage your reservations using the calendar. Simple, easy, fast, all in your control. Thanks for watching.